Whoa, it's daytime.
It's daytime.
I'm filming in daytime. I just shaved my head yesterday again, so if my wig is like laid down strange, that's because I'm literally naked mole rat bald right now. And no, you're not gonna see it because I was rushing when I shaved, so it's like the sloppiest I've ever shaved it before. Yeehaw everybody, it is me, Aaliyah, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah. So as you guys know, the day that I'm posting this, Friday, April 12th, I believe, is the first day of Coachella. And I'm not gonna be there. Thanks, Doe, for not taking me. You're gonna take me next year. It's okay that I'm not at Coachella. I just watched Haley Fam's video about why she's not going to Coachella on her vlog channel. She said that she found out that, or people were telling her that Coachella, the founder, supports anti-LGBTQ plus foundation, but that's scary. I don't want to support that. So I guess it's honestly fine that, you know, Doe just decided not to invite me. Like, it's totally chill. Like, I get it. So since it's Coachella time, I thought, why not do a Coachella makeup tutorial? But not just any Coachella or festival makeup tutorial, one for lazy people like myself. Like, this is some everyday makeup shiz right here, right? Like, hello. And then all you have to do is add 3 things that are gonna make this the most amazing Coachella look you've ever seen in your life. And people might think that you put effort into it, but you didn't, because you got the idea from me. And you're welcome. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make some stupid Coachella vibe looking makeup thingies and have a good time talking about not going to Coachella. Let me just get my Anastasia Beverly Hills mirror, you know, like, it's whatever, like, just not a big deal. It's just kind of like cool or whatever. It's just kind of like my mirror from Anastasia, you know, it's whatever. It's nothing. It's just kind of like a flex, but like, no, I'm not flexing at all. Like, it's really fine. So as you can see, I did my eyeshadow already on the top part. This is using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Most of the stuff I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I wonder why. I don't know. Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, blush, brow stuff. So I did the top half of my eyes. I'm gonna start with the lower lash line. So basically what we're gonna do is create a rainbow under our under lash line, because I feel like Coachella is about rainbows and like sparkles. Oh, I'm a hippie, like I love rainbows and flowers and meth. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that, but I did. Am I wrong? It might not be meth, but it's drugs. But anyways, rainbow under our eyes. So what I'm gonna do is do red, orange, yellow, and then green, blue, purple. So I'm just gonna use one of your average Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes that you get in the palette, just because it's good at packing color. I'm gonna start with red, and I'm getting this red from the James Charles palette from Morpheus. So we're gonna start this on the outer corner of the eye. Can you even see me doing literally anything? I'm so sorry. Also, if you can see my bald head, just please ignore it. Like, I don't wanna be bullied about it, okay? Okay, wow, that was so hard, like, whoa, crazy stuff. So now we did that, I'm gonna get orange. So I'm gonna dip into the orange from the James Charles palette, but also the orange from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, because the orange from James's palette tries my life. So I have to mix, I have to go in between. It tries my life, but not where it's unbearable. For some things I can get it to work, but other times I just don't have the patience, so I just mix it together. And this is going on the center of the eye. So now I'm gonna go in with yellow, and I'm going to use the yellow from the Zulu palette and mix it also with James's yellow. That's just how I have to do it. Like, my brain can't do it any other way. Sorry for being a flop. Also, I've done this look before. I did it the other day. I liked the look, but I did it in the middle of the night. Well, not in the middle of the night, it was literally like 8 p.m. I take my pictures in natural lighting. You guys probably can tell, like, I go in front of the sun. Because it was not daylight time, I was like, okay, I can just fake it and use my, like, mirror light and, like, whatever.
No.
It was awful, and I hated it, and I looked so ugly, and I was very upset to see how terrible the lighting was and how terrible it made the picture look. So I could not post it. Literally, that's this eye. We're literally done with that eye. Now we're gonna do the green, blue, purple. So I'm gonna dip into the green from James's palette, and from now on I'm using James's palette, just letting you know, FYI. I kind of did it on accident, but what's happening is that it's kind of going into the inner corner and I kind of like that, so I'm gonna go with it. This is looking way better in daylight. I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna go with blue. It's hard to talk whenever I'm like, but we need to talk about something that just happened to me the other day. So as you guys know, I'm on Anastasia Beverly Hills PR list, and okay, that was just really weird for me to say, but that's a thing. And they follow me on Instagram, so it's become my mission to like do a look that they like so they can repost me, because like that's like always just been a goal and a dream of mine. So I went on their page to look at like what they're posting recently, and I saw a video of someone using like their highlight, and I was like, oh cute, like I'll do that. I wasn't doing it to like get them to repost me. I was like, that would just be like good to post, like I'll do that. So what I did basically was I did a little video tutorial of how to use loose powder, and because some people actually don't know how to use loose powder, so I did it, and it was like the most cringy, stupid, ugly video I've done in my life probably. I did the woe in it. I literally used this non-copyright free music. Yeah, I used that in it because I was gonna look for an actual good copyright free song, and I was like, let's just be stupid. So I chose that. I sent it to like the Horvinas on Twitter, and I was like, should I even post this? Like, this is so stupid. And they're like, yes. All right, I'm going into purple now. I posted it, and like 2 hours later, I was looking through my notifications, and I saw that Anastasia Beverly Hills liked it, and I was like, oh shit, it's like, that's so nice of them to like my post. And then I looked up a little bit further, and then I saw like a caption, but I thought that it was a comment, like they commented under my post, and I was like, oh, did they comment? And then a piece of my brain was like, or did they repost me? And then I clicked on it, and then I saw that they reposted me, and I literally screeched to the top of my lungs. I was so happy because that's what I've always wanted, and I wasn't expecting it. It's always whenever you don't expect it. I was trying so hard to do a post that they were gonna like make it look wise, and they just didn't like them. I mean, they probably just honestly didn't see it, so like whatever. I guess maybe they appreciated me being cringy. I was just being myself, you know, like I'm just so quirky and just relatable. And everyone was like, oh my gosh, congratulations. And I was like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. We need to move on. It's been 17 minutes and this is all I've done, but that's just the kind of girl that I am. You can either hate me or you love me. And if you hate me, that's fine. We've had this conversation many times before. And if you love me, oh my gosh, do you want to date? No? Now is another fun part. So not only are we gonna have a rainbow on our eyes, we're gonna have a rainbow on our lips. You probably honestly wouldn't want to wear this to Coachella, considering you probably would have the driest lips already because it's the desert, but you're also gonna have to powder and conceal your lips for this, so you would probably like die. This is concealer. ColourPop no filter. Oh cool, what a pretty look. Ashy lips, Aliyah has ashy lips, just kidding. It's concealer, don't worry. She has chapstick. Burt's Bees, non-spawn, but Burt's Bees, I would love it if you did. You can tell that I haven't filmed a video in a week and I need help. So now I'm gonna set that, and I'm just gonna get white and set it. And I'm using the A16 brush. So I'm gonna start with red, and I'm using all the same colors. So this is probably gonna be a time lapse of me doing this because you already know what I'm using. I can't wait until I'm rich next year. I just put it out in the universe, I'm gonna be rich by next year. I'm definitely gonna get veneers. And I have a chipped tooth somewhere because one night I was eating gummy worms the night before I had a dance competition, and my teeth were like, and I chipped my tooth. So now to give my lips some, I like to low-key look like I have injections because I know I don't, so I just want to play games. I have this little Polido pencil that's brown, and I'm just gonna lightly put it over my lips. I am satisfied. Anything I don't like, I will fix with Facetune. Now we're gonna put on highlights. I'm going to get my handy dandy dewy set. I wish ABH had a fan. It's like Jamie Charlie. So we're gonna put on highlight. This is the So Hollywood loose highlighter stuff. And it makes me a little bit sad sometimes because I think the tone of it is not for me, but I'm in denial, so I'm using it anyways. I'm going to grab the A23 brush, and I'm going to get my loose powder highlight. Gonna dip it in like that, just like that. Tap a little bit off. And then we're gonna let the magic begin. Oh, beach. Oh, beach. It's over, beach. Beach. Now I'm going to put it on my inner corners of my eyes and on my brow bone. So I'm just extra like that. We should also put some on our collarbones too while we're at it, I guess. Hey, beesh. Collarbone! Right, perfect. Just tied my hair up so it's not being annoying while I do this. We're going to apply glitter because glitter is the best ever. So I'm gonna put glitter on this side because I want to put on glitter on a video on the other side for Instagram purposes. I'm gonna use my 8-inch glitter adhesive and I'm gonna take it on my finger and dab it on, and then I'm going to apply the electric glitter on top of it. And I know I put on highlight, but that's the point. We're in the desert and we have to glow to the superior amount of glowage. It smells like perfume. So I'm gonna put it on my finger and I'm gonna dab it around my eye. You want it to be like a ring of glitter, so you look like a glowing glitter goddess. All right, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. We'll literally be done. All right, guys, so this equals finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's so many things going on outside right now. This is why it's better to do looks in the middle of the night. This is your simple, easy Coachella look. Maybe the lips are too much for you, but you can still just do rainbow under eyes and some glitter. Or maybe you just want to wear this every day. Like, honestly, same. I would definitely do it. And I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button to be notified for any posts that I post in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to catch me anywhere else, you can find me on social media. My Instagram is aliyqh. My Twitter is aliyqhmua. And then my Snapchat is aliyahbowers, and they're all in the description box below. They're all in the description box below. So there's a brand called Moon Girl Lashes, and they just launched their brand literally yesterday on Wednesday. Whatever day that was. So, and I have my own code with them. This freaking lawnmower. Shut up. If you want to get some of their lashes, you can get them with my code to get some money off. My my code is aliyqh. So if you want to use it, just use it, and you'll get a percentage of your total off. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. I will see you guys next time again. Okay, bye.